Everyone, please confirm. Is audio okay? I think video is okay. I can see that in the camera. Let us see if audio is okay. ठीक है? Let's test the audio. ठीक है? दरवाजे को गुंडी मारो, कोई ना अंदर आने पाए। आरबीआर को समझा दो म्यूजिक, गलती से भी रुक ना पाए। टकर टकर जो फील करे वो जाके 2 कप कॉफी पी ले। जिसको डांस नहीं आता है जाके अपना भैंस चराए। ऑडियो क्लियर है? ऑडियो क्लियर है? वीडियो तो क्लियर है, ऑडियो भी क्लियर है। और तीसरा चीज आपको कंफर्म करना है कि इज आरबीआर हैंडसम। अगर आप बोलेंगे कि आरबीआर इज हैंडसम तभी क्लास शुरू होगी, नहीं तो क्लास शुरू नहीं होगी आज। ठीक है? ठीक है, ऑल क्लियर? ये तो बोलो भाई दैट यू आर हैंडसम। ये तो बोल सकते हैं ना कि यू आर हैंडसम। ठीक है, ठीक है। और कल हम देख रहा था रेगुलर लैंग्वेजेस को। वी वर yesterday doing regular languages. We were doing regular languages. Today also the concept is regular languages only, right? I want to tell you something. Many students, they ask me one question. Sir, you have been teaching for 17 years. You might have earned a lot in your life, but still how do you treat a student like a god when they meet you? I have 5 rules in my life. I follow 5 rules in my life. I will tell you all those 5 rules every day. ठीक है? I have 5 rules in my life. I will tell you all the rules. Okay? The rules that I follow. Rules of RBR. Rules of RBR. First rule is, if someone is younger to you, bless them. Bless them and show a path. ठीक है? Show them a path. If someone is elder to you, respect them. Respect them irrespective of their financial status. Respect them. सर झुकाना कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। बड़ों के साथ साथ जब बड़ों के when you are with elder people, you can bend your head, not a problem, right? You should bend your head only in respect, not in shame. ठीक है? Now, third rule is, if someone is poor, help them. If someone is poor, help them. If someone is poor, help them. And fourth rule is, if someone is talented, it doesn't matter what talent they have. If someone is talented, give them a helping hand. Give them a hand. If someone is talented, give them a helping hand. These 4 rules you should follow along with 5th rule. 5th rule is always be humble. ठीक है? Whichever phase, whatever life, whichever stage you reach, always remember one thing, you should always be humble. Because, let me tell you, humility will take you to great places. If you are humble, everyone will like you. If you are humble, everyone will help you. If you are humble, in your bad times, many people will come to you. If you are arrogant, then people will think that अच्छा हुआ है इसके साथ. It is good that he failed. You know what? When a storm comes, when a very big storm comes, all the big trees will fall down. All the big trees will fall down. But grass will not fall down. Even in a storm, grass will not fall down. You know that grass, right? Small grass. That small grass will not fall down. Be like a grass, not like a tree. Don't think that you have become a very big tree with very large branches. If you get that in your mind that you are a very big tree, that is your downfall. That is your downfall. Always be like grass. Just be humble. Just be humble. ठीक है? All these 5 rules you should follow in your life. I will remind you every day all these 5 rules. These are RBR rules. What are the rules? If someone is younger to you, bless them and show them a path. If someone is elder to you, respect them irrespective of their financial status. If someone is poor, help them whatever you could. If someone is talented, give them a helping hand and let their talent shine. And if always in your life, always be humble. Always be humble. These are the RBR rules. These are the RBR rules. Okay. Remember all these 5 rules of RBR. These are rules of RBR and I live by these rules. Okay. So yesterday we will start with a story. You might have heard about Kalpana Chawla, right? So she was born in 1962 and she died in 2003. She was the first Indian born woman in space. Pali Admiti. She was the first Indian born woman in space. After moving to the US for graduate studies, she joined NASA's astronaut program in 1994, flying on Columbia in 1997. On her second mission in 2003, she perished during the re-entry. Chawla's legacy lives on through scholarships and STEM outreach, inspiring young women globally to pursue aerospace career. Sad death, right? But Kalpana Chawla is an Indian. Is the first Indian to go to space. By I am proud. I am proud of India. I am proud of Indians. These people are the heroes. Never forget her. She gave her life. She gave her life for the advancement of humanity. Right? Never forget. Jai Hind. And what is the lesson you should learn? Pursuing dreams beyond boundaries can inspire generations even in face of tragedy. ये सार ड्रीम्स परस्यू करो भाई. I want to tell you one thing. When you dream big. If your dream doesn't scare you, then that is not a real goal to pursue. Again, if your dream doesn't scare you, that there is no need to pursue it. By looking at your dream, you should be so scared that you must think that I might not be able to achieve this dream. Have such big dreams, okay? Take Kalpana Chawla as an example. She is an Indian. Jai Hind. Okay? So, let's now start with yesterday's concept where we left. Okay, let's now start with yesterday's concept where we left. Yesterday's concept we left at right quotient. Yesterday's concept we left at right quotient. We have to solve right quotient. I will explain you what right quotient is. I will explain you what is right quotient. Okay. Let us say L1 equal to 1101 or 01. L2 equal to 0110. Okay. Now what is L1 by L2? I want to find out L1 by L2, which is called right quotient. L1 by L2 is called right quotient. Okay. So what is L1 by L2? L1 is 1101. L2 has 3 strings divided by 01, 1101 divided by 01, 1101 divided by 1, 1101 divided by 0. Okay. Now if you observe it, I can cut these two. I can cut 01 from the right. Therefore, it will give me 11. I can cut 1 here. Therefore, it will give me 110. I cannot cut 0 here. Therefore, the strings we get are 11 and 10. But we have even more strings. L1 has 01 also, right? You have to write 01 also. 01 followed by 01. 01 followed by 1, 01 followed by 0. Okay. Now when I cut 0101, I get epsilon. When I cut 1 and 1, I get 0. When I cut 0 with 0, this is not possible. I cannot cut 0 here. Okay. So what are all these strings we got in L1 by L2? We got epsilon, we got 0, we got 1 1, we got 1 1 0. So this is called right quotient. This is called right quotient. Right quotient. This is called right quotient. Okay, this is called right quotient. This is called right quotient. Okay, now similarly you can do left quotient also, but left quotient is not popular. This will not be asked in GATE, but still we will do it. गाना तो आता नहीं है मगर फिर भी हम गाते हैं, क्वेश्चंस तो आते नहीं है मगर फिर भी हम पढ़ते हैं. ठीक है, इसमें से क्वेश्चन यू विल नॉट गेट एनी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम हियर, बट स्टिल वी विल लर्न. ओके, सो L1 equal to same question we'll take 1101 and then 01. L2 equal to 01 1 1 0 0 1 1 0, right? Now I want to find out left quotient. I want to divide L1 by L2. Then what do I get? L1 by L2 1101 divided by 01, 1101 divided by 1, 1101 divided by 0, and 01 divided by 01, and 01 divided by 1, and 01 divided by 0, 01 divided by 0. Now you have to cut it from the left side, not from the right side. I cannot cut it here. Left side is 0 0 1 1, right side is 0 1. I cannot cut it here. I cannot cut it here. Debasis, what you want me to repeat? You want me to repeat right quotient, is it? I will explain it again, okay? I will repeat it. Whenever you have any doubt, please ask me. I will definitely repeat it, okay? So, what is right quotient? Right quotient means take all these strings from one language. I want L1 by L2. L1 by L2, I want right quotient. What is right quotient is take all these strings in L1 and divide with all these strings in L2, right? Therefore, what are all these strings in L1? 1101, divide it with 01, divide it with 01, 1101, divide it with 01, and 1101, divide it with 1, 1101, divide it with 0, right? So this 01 and this 01 will get cancelled. Therefore, what is this string I get? 1 1. This one and this one will get cancelled. What is that I get? 1 1 0. Here you cannot cancel 0, right? 0 is not at the right side. You cannot say I will cancel this 0 with this 0. You cannot say that because you have to cancel it from the right side, not in the middle. Okay? Now this does not give you anything. This will not give you anything. 5. This is giving you 1 1. This is giving you 1 1 0. This is giving you 5. It is still not over because we have one more string 0 1. Now take 0 1, divide by 0 1. Take 0 1, divide by 1. Take 0 1, divide by 0. Now you can cut these two. I will get epsilon. I can cut these two. I will get 0. If I try to cut it here, I will not be able to cut it. If I try to cut it here, I will not be able to cut it. I will not be able to cut it. So what is that I got? 1 1 I got, 1 1 0 I got, epsilon I got, and 0 I got. 1 1 1 1 0 epsilon and 0 I got. Okay, epsilon and 0 I got. Got it, Debashish? If you are not able to understand anything, please do ask me. If you are not able to understand anything, please do ask me. Okay. Now, what is left quotient? Left quotient means you have to cut it from the left. So take all these strings in L1, divide all of them with L2 and cut them from the right. 1101 01, 1101 1, 1101 0. Cut it from the left side, right? So here you cannot cut it. Here it is 1 1, here it is 0 1. You cannot cut it, but you can cut this. 1 1 you can cut this. You got 1 0 1. 0 you cannot cut it, right? Why? Because left side there is no 0. So for this we don't get anything. For this we don't get anything. For this we don't get anything. But for this we get 1 0 1. Hana. Now divide 0 1 by 0 1. I will cut it from the left. I will get epsilon. Now I cannot cut 0 1 by 1 from the left side. Therefore this one will give me 5. But here I can cut 0 here from the left side. therefore I get 1, therefore I get 1, right? Right? So what are these strings that I got? I got 101, I got epsilon, and I got 1. 101, epsilon, and 1. This is about left quotient. Okay? From where can I practice more questions? Did you join my Telegram channel? Every day I release questions on my Telegram channel. Everyone please join my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel name is RBR Sir PW. My Telegram channel name is RBR Sir PW. You join this Telegram channel, you will get practice questions every day. You get practice questions every day. If you join this Telegram channel, you will get practice questions every day. Okay, join this channel RBR Sir PW. You will get practice questions. It doesn't matter whether you are studying it for free or you are studying it for your or you have paid the money. We will provide you the best service we could. Okay, but if you take the paid subscription, there will be extra features on YouTube. We can give you entire lectures in a crystal clear way, and we can give you more problems on the Telegram group. Okay, on the Telegram group we can give you more quotient, more things. Right now, let's find the right quotient. Let's find the right quotient. Okay, let's find the right quotient. L1 equal to 1 0 star, L2 equal to 0. Then what is L1 by L2? Can you answer this question? Right quotient. I want to find the right quotient. L1 is 1 0 star, L2 is 0. What is L1 by L2? What is L1 by L2? Try it. Don't give up. Keep trying it. What is the answer you got? What is the answer you got? Let's write the language L1 first. L1 is 1, 1 0, 1 0 0, 1 0 0 0, so on. Hana. Now L2 is simply a 0. L2 is simply a 0. L1 is 1, 1 0, 1 0 0, 1 0 0, so on. L2 is simply a 0. L2 is simply a 0. Okay. Okay. Now you have to cut it from the right hand side. So what should I do? L1 by L2. If I do L1 by L2, I will get 1 followed by 1 divided by 0, 1 0 divided by 0, 1 0 divided by 1 0 0 divided by 0, 1 0 0 0 divided by 0, so on, so on. Okay. Now you know that 1 divided by 0, you cannot do anything, right? But here you can cut it from the right. I will get 1. Now you can cut it from right. I will get 1 0. Now you will cut it from the right. I will get 1 0 0. I will get 1 0 0. I will get 1 0 0. Right. So what is the language you are getting? It is 1 0 star. The language that you are getting is 1 0 star. The language that you are getting is 1 0 star. 1 0 star. Okay. The language that you are getting is 1 0 star. The language that you are getting is 1 0 star. Okay. That is about right quotient. That is about right quotient. Okay. I will give you one more question. You try to answer this. What is A star followed by A? What is A star followed by A? I want right quotient. I want write quotient. What is A star followed by a? What is A star followed by a? What is A star followed by a? What is A star divided by a? Keep trying. You have to try. Okay. What is A star followed by a? Very good. A star followed by a, you are getting A star only, isn't it? Why? Because if I do A star, I will get epsilon, I will get A, I will get a, I will get a, so on, so on. Now if I do A star divided by a, what I will get is epsilon divided by a divided by a divided by a divided by a, so on, right? Right? So anyway, you don't get anything from here. You cannot divide epsilon by a, but here you can divide it. What do I get? Epsilon. Here if I divide it, what do I get? A. Here if I divide it, what do I get? A. So on. So I'm getting epsilon, a, so on. So what is the language, guys? The language that I'm getting is A star. The language that I'm getting is A star. Epsilon is also there in the language. It is not A plus Debashish. Debashish, it is not A plus. Epsilon also we are getting in the language. Right? Right? I'll give you one more question. You try to answer it. Okay? If I write A plus divided by A, what is the answer? I want write quotient. A plus divided by A, what is the answer? A plus divided by A, what is the answer? A plus divided by A. बाद में ना कहना कुछ भी, पहले दे दो वार्निंग. पार्टी चलेगी till 1:30 AM. Class will go on till 1:15. Don't complain. I will give you breaks to relax. But then class will go till 1:15. Class will go till 1:15. Okay. Class will go till 1:15. Okay. Very good. Everyone got A star, right? Everyone got A star, right? So, what is language? Language equal to A plus. Language equal to A plus, right? Language equal to A plus. So, what are the strings you get? You get A, 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 so on. You get A, so on. If I divide it with A, if I divide it by A, if I divide it by A, then what do I get? Here I get epsilon, here I get A, here I get A, here I get A, so on, A, so on, right? Therefore, what is the language? Language equal to A star. Language equal to A star, right? I'll give you one more question. Answer this. A plus followed by divided by A plus divided by A. I want write quotient. I want write quotient for A plus divided by A plus divided by A plus divided by a plus divided by a. For every half an hour, I'll give you a break, don't worry. For every half an hour, I'll give you a break, don't worry. Okay. Now, what is a plus? What is the smallest thing that you get? You get a, you get a, you get a, you get a, so on. Now you are dividing it with a. Now you are dividing it with a, dividing it with a, dividing with a, right? Then what do I get? I get a here. I get a here. I get a here. I get a here. So on, so on, so on, so on. Okay. So what is this, guys? What is this? This is a plus. This is a plus. I'll give you one more question. Try to solve it. L1 equal to 1 0 star. L2 equal to 0 1 star. L1 equal to 1 0 star. L2 equal to 0 1 star. Then what is L1 by L2? L1 equal to 1 0 star. L2 equal to 0 1 star. What is L1 by L2? What is L1 by L2? What I mean to say is 1 0 star divided by 0 1 star. What is the language? What is the language? If anyone can answer this, they will get a very good rank in GATE. Okay? Take time. I'll give you 3 minutes of time. Don't answer in 3 minutes. Take time. I'll give you 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, tell me the answer. Okay? After 3 minutes, tell me the answer. Don't say it is not possible. It is possible. Okay? Very good. The answer is 1 0 star, right? So how do you do this? 1 0 star followed by 0 1 means 1 0 star you divide it with 0, and 1 0 star, you divide it with 1 0, and 0 1, right? You divide it with 0 1, and 1 0 star, you divide it with 0 1 1, so on. Now if I divide 1 0 star by 0, I am going to get 1 0 star. But if I divide 1 0 star by 0 1, this is ending with 0, right? So we don't get anything. We cannot cut 0 1 from here. We cannot cut 0. It is ending with 1 1. There are no 1 1s here. We cannot cut anything here. Therefore, only thing that you can cut is 1 0 star. Only thing that you can cut here is 1 0 star. So 1 0 star is answer. Answer. Okay. Thank you for appreciating my efforts, Dheeraj. Thank you so much. Okay. Let's see a story. You might have heard about Sunita Williams, right? Sunita Williams is a NASA astronaut of Indian heritage. She has Indian roots, who spent over 321 days in orbit across STS Space Station 116 and Expedition 14-15 missions. She conducted 7 spacewalks, the most for any woman, and operated robotic arms to maintain the International Space Station. A former Navy officer, her rigorous training and leadership under microgravity conditions have inspired countless students to pursue STEM careers and space exploration. She is an inspiration to all of us. What is that you have to learn from her? Aim high and prepare meticulously. Discipline turns lofty dreams into record breaking achievements, right? So, what I want to tell you is do one thing. Do one thing. Today, call your best friend. Call your best friend and tell them that you are going to get first rank in GATE. They will laugh at you. They will ridicule you. They will say that it is impossible. But if you work hard, you will definitely make it possible, right? When someone says something is not possible, what should be your reply? Watch me. When someone says, you can't achieve something, what should be your reply? Watch me. Watch me. Okay? Okay. So now I will give you one more question. You answer this question. Okay? I'll give you one more question. You answer this question. 1 0 plus followed by 0 1 plus. 1 0 plus followed by 0 1 plus. 1 0 plus followed by 0 1 plus. What is the answer? What is the answer that you get here? 1 0 plus followed by 0 1 plus. Take time. There is no urgency. You need not do it urgently. Take your time. Answer in Telegram channel. How you got the answer? Answer in Telegram channel. How you got the answer? Okay. I am seeing your Telegram channel. Answer it. 1 0 1 0 plus followed by 0 1 plus. 1 0 plus followed by 0 1 plus. Very good. It will be empty, right? So how are we going to do it? 1 0 plus followed by 0 1, 1 0 plus followed by 0 1 1 divided by 0 1 1, 1 0 plus divided by 0 1 1 1, 1 0 plus divided by 0 1 2 3 4, so on, 1 2 3 4, so on, so on, 1 2 3 4, so on. Now in 1 0 plus, it is always ending with 0 and this one is ending with 1. You cannot cut them both. And here also it is ending with 0, here it is ending with 1, you cannot cut it. Here also it is ending with 0, here it is ending with 1, you cannot cut it. Here also it is ending with 0, it is ending with 1, you cannot cut it. You cannot cut it, right? So the answer is 5. So the answer is 5, right? So till now we have seen various models. Till now we have seen various models, right? So till now we have seen infinite language divided by infinite language, may be finite or infinite, है ना? May be finite or infinite. This is the example. Infinite language divided by infinite language give me a finite language, right? Now here if you observe it, infinite language divided by infinite language is giving you infinite language, right? So when you divide two languages, the result may be finite or infinite. But when you divide a finite language, with a finite language, you will always get finite language. 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 ठीक है? Can you do this one? A power n b power n divided by b power n. A power n b power n divided by b power n. Raja, I will make a video for you. How to prepare for GATE. I will make a video for you. ठीक है? Don't worry. I will make a video for you. ठीक है? नहीं तो we will do one thing. A star B star followed by B star. A star B star followed by B star. You can answer this. A star B star followed by a B star. You can answer this. A star B star followed by a B star. You can answer this. Very simple question. A star B star followed by B divided by B star. A star B star divided by B star. You can easily answer it. You can easily answer it. A star B star divided by B star. Pushpendra, you are right. Roshan, you are right. Both Roshan and Pushpendra, both of you are right. A star B star followed by B star. Both of you are right. Both of you are right. Okay? Okay? So, now what do you get here? A star B star divided by epsilon. A star B star divided by B. A star B star divided by BB, so on. so on, right? Now, what is A star B star by epsilon? What is A star B star by epsilon? I can write epsilon here and I can cut it. So I got A star B star. I got the entire language. Therefore, the answer is A star B star. You don't have to consider all this. Even if you consider all this, you are going to get A star B star only. So the answer is A star B star. So the answer is A star B star. Okay. Okay. So we started at 11:15. Now the time is about to become 12. We will start the next topic. Okay. I'll give you a simple question. Answer this question. Okay. L1 equal to A power n B power n and L2 equal to A plus B whole star. L1 equal to A power n B power n and L2 equal to A plus B whole star. What is L1 union L2? What is L1 union L2? Is it regular or is it context-free language or something else? Is it regular or is it context-free language or is it something else? Is it regular or context-free or something else? Is it regular or is it context-free or is it something else? Right. So, if you follow the table, what does the table say? L1 is CFL and what is L2? L2 is regular, right? Now you will upgrade the regular line. Now you will upgrade L2 to CFL. Now you will upgrade L2 to CFL. Now you upgrade L2 to CFL. L1 is CFL. L1 is CFL. L2 is regular. You can upgrade the regular language to CFL. You can upgrade the regular language to CFL, right? Now what will you do? You will apply union. L1 union L2 you will apply. L1 union L2 you can 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 apply. If I apply L1 union L2, what do I get? Union of two context-free languages is context-free language. This answer is right, but the problem is this answer is not tight. This answer is right, but the problem is this answer is not tight. Even if you use second table, RBR2 table, even if you use second table, you will get the answer to be CFL. CFL union regular is CFL, right? But there is a small problem. Before using the tables, use your brain, okay? Before using RBR tables, use your brain first. If you see the languages, it is so clear that this is universal language and this is A power n B power n. And it is very clear that A power A plus B star is this. It is very clear that A plus B star is this and A power n B power n is a subset. Now if I apply the union of these two, if I apply L1 union L2, then what do I get? A plus B star. What do I get? A plus B. If I apply union of these two, what do I get? A plus B star. I get A plus B star. If I apply union of these two, I will get A plus B star. Right. Now, actual answer is regular. CFL is also right, but it is not tight. But regular is a tight answer. Regular is a tight answer. So what I mean to say is, before you apply the tables, try to use your brain once. Can you directly answer it without the tables? Then answer it. If the tables are required, then only you have to go to the tables. Generally, when the languages are given, you should try to see what the languages are and you should get the answer, right? Now, if the languages are not given, for example, if they say that L1 is a context-free language, L2 is a regular language, if they ask you what is L1 union L2, then you can directly say that if they ask you what is L1 union L2, then you can directly say that it is regular. L1 union L2 is, CFL. This is fine. But when the languages are given, you should actually take some time and work on it. If the languages are given, you should actually take some time and work on it. Okay? Okay? Okay. We will take 3-minute break. We will take a small break for 3 minutes and then I will start the next concept. Okay? Okay. Take break for 5 minutes. We'll continue. Okay? Take break for 5 minutes. We'll continue. We know that if L1 is regular, we know that if L1 is regular and L2 is regular, if we know that if L1 is regular and L2 is regular, then we know that if L1 is regular and L2 is regular, we know that L1 union L2 is regular. L1 union L2 is regular. L1 union L2 is regular. Right, right. Now if I ask you a different question, L1 union L2 is regular, then what can you say about L1 and what can you say about L2? Answer me this question. What can you say about L1? What can you say about L2? Answer me this question. What can you say about L1? What can you say about L2? Answer me this question. Yeah, 50%, 53% they will not see in 12th. You have to maintain a good percentage after 12th. Okay. If L1 is regular, L2 is regular, what can you say about L1, L2? What can you say about L1, L2? So here you can say that L1 comma L2 may be regular or may not be. They may be regular or they may not be regular. They may be regular or they may not be regular. They may be regular or they may not be regular. ठीक है. Similarly, if L1 intersection L2 is regular, if L1 intersection L2 is regular, then what can you say about L1? What can you say about L2? What can you say about L1 and what can you say about L2? If L1 intersection L2 is regular, what can you say about L1? What can you say about L2? Here also, both L1 L2 may or may not be regular. May or may not be regular. ठीक है? I'll give you proofs for this. I'll give you proofs for this. Okay? Similarly, if L1 concatenated with L2 is regular, what can you say about L1? What can you say about L2? Concatenation is regular. What can you say about L1? What can you say about L2? So, L1 comma L2 may or may not be regular. May or may not be regular. May or may not be regular. ठीक है? We will prove. We will prove. And this rule is very important. If L is regular, then L complement is definitely regular. If L is regular, then L power R, reversal of L is definitely regular. 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 ठीक है? I'll prove all these points. Okay. So this point is very easy. I will not prove it. We have already seen it. Complementing a finite automata. We have already seen it. And reversal is also reversing the finite automata. How to prove this one? You take the DFA. And you take the complement. Right? How do you prove this one? You take the finite automata and you reverse it. You will get the reverse of the language. These two you don't have to prove. Okay, but you have to prove these three. These three has to be proven, and also concatenation is not that important. I am skipping it. I will prove these two. L1 union L2 is regular. Then what is L1? What is L2? I will prove. If L1 intersection L2 is regular, what is L1? What is L2? I will prove. Okay, okay, okay. So we will prove for union. First we will prove for union. Okay. First we will prove for union. If L1, if L1 union L2, I will take union first. I will take union first. Okay. I will take union first. I will take L1 and L2. Both L1 and L2 as regular. Both L1 and L2 are regular. What is L1? A star. What is L2? B star. L1 is A star and L2 is B star. Now, what is L1 union L2? What is L1 union L2? L1 union L2 equal to A star plus B star, which is regular, which means union of two regular languages can be regular. Hai na? Now I will take L1 and L2. I will take two languages. I will take one of them as regular and the other one as non-regular. Okay. And the regular one is, I will take A plus B star. This is regular. And one I will take non-regular. Non-regular means A power n, B power n. Okay. Now, what is L1 union L2? L1 union L2 is A plus B star union A power n, B power n. L1 union L2 is A plus B star union A power n, B power n. Now, what is this? This is A plus B star, which is regular, What does that mean? If one language is regular and the other language is non-regular, we are getting a regular language. Okay. Now, L1, L2, let's take both of them to be non-regular. I take A power n, B power n, and I will take A power n, B power n complement. I will take A power n, B power n complement. So what is this language, guys? This is CFL. Hai na? This is not regular. A power n, B power n is not regular. A power n, B power n complement is not regular. Now also I will get L1 then union L2 equal to sigma star. If I take the complement of a language and apply union, I will get sigma star, isn't it? If you take this as sigma star, then if I write L here, L complement here, if I take union, I am going to get sigma star. If I write L here, if I write L complement here, if I take union of both of them, that is sigma star. Union of both of them, that is sigma star. Okay. So, what did you understand from this? If L1 and L2 are regular, L1 union L2 can be regular. If one of them is regular and other is non-regular, then also L1 union L2 can be regular. Similarly, if both of them are not regular, then also L1 union L2 can be regular. L1 union L2 can be regular, right? So, if it is given that L1 union L2 is regular, then what about L1 and L2? They may or may not be regular. They may or may not be regular. That is what I wanted you to learn from this. Okay? Let's see one more story. Sunita Narayan, born in 1961, is an environmental scientist and Director General of the Center for Science and Environment in Delhi. Her 1999 State of India's Environment Report catalyzed clean air legislation, and her work on water scarcity sparkled community-led water harvesting projects nationwide. You might have heard about this, right? Water harvesting, and she is the one who did that to India. Narayan combines rigorous data analysis with grassroots advocacy, empowering villagers to manage local resources sustainably. Okay, what is the lesson you should learn from her? Data driven advocacy plus community engagement can shape policy and protect public health. Okay, she is an Indian. She is an Indian. She is an Indian. I am proud to be an Indian. I am proud to be an Indian, and she is a hero for me. She is a hero for me, and she should be hero for all of you, not those people who are motivational speakers. Recently, I have been seeing many people becoming motivational speakers and many people becoming too popular compared to these people, right? These are the actual heroes. They don't talk, they only work, right? आप देखते हैं ना, you must have seen this. करो करो कर सकते हो, तुझ में दम है, तुझ में कुछ भी कम नहीं है, तुम अचीव कर सकते हो. बाय, तू अचीव कर लेना पहले. You achieve something and then you motivational speeches, right? These people are inspirers. They inspire us. They don't motivate us. By looking at their life story, we get inspired. We get inspired. Okay? She is a hero for me. She is a hero for you all. Remember her. What is her name? Sunita Narayan. Okay? Sunita Narayan. So we have proved that if L1 is regular and L2 is regular, L1 union L2 can be regular. L1 union L2, if both of them are, one is regular, other is non-regular, L1 union L2 may be regular. Or if both of them are non-regular, then L1 union L2 is regular. Okay? I have a small doubt. Can you answer me this doubt? If I write a power n, b power n, complement. What is the complement of a power n, b power n? What is the complement of a power n, b power n? Can anyone answer this? What is the complement of a power n, b power n? Can anyone answer this? Can anyone answer? Can anyone answer? What is the complement of a power n, b power n? Jai Hind. Jai Hind everyone. Jai Hind. What is a power n, b power n complement? Can someone answer it in the Telegram channel? Answer it in Telegram channel. I am seeing the Telegram channel. Give your answer in the Telegram channel. What is complement of a power n, b power n? रोनिता पात्रा वेरी गुड. रोनिता पात्रा ने दिया है कि कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ ए पावर एन बी पावर एन इज सिग्मा स्टार माइनस ए पावर एन बी पावर एन. ये तो सबको पता है रोनिता. एवरीवन नोस इट रोनिता. दिस इज नॉट व्हाट आई वांटेड टू फाइंड आउट द लैंग्वेज. I wanted to find out the language. I wanted to find out the language. Okay. I wanted to find out the language. Now, what are the strings present in this language? Any number of A's followed by any number of B's, isn't it? What are the strings present here? Any number of A's followed by any number of B's. Any number of A's followed by any number of B's. Hannah. Equal number of A's followed by equal number of B's. So what I can write is A power n, B power n such that m is not equal to n. A power n, B power m such that n is not equal to m, and also this language does not contain a BA. There will be any number of A's followed by any number of B's, but this language does not contain BA. But this language does not contain BA. But this language does not contain BA. Hannah. So what can you do? You can write like this. This union A plus B star BA A plus B star A plus B star BA A plus B star. Unequal number of A's and B's, or A plus B star followed by BA followed by A plus B star. A plus B star followed by BA followed by A plus B star. This is the complement. I did it just out of curiosity. Okay. Now let's prove about intersection. Let's prove about intersection. Okay. Now let us say L1 and L2 both are regular. L1 is regular, L2 is regular, and L1 is A star, L2 is B star. L1 is A star and L2 is B star. Now what is the intersection of L1 and L2? What is the intersection of L1 and L2? L1 and L2 intersection is epsilon, which is regular, right? Which means intersection of two regular languages may be regular. Now, if I take a language which is one is regular, other is non-regular. If I take one is regular and other is non-regular, which means I will take 5 here, and in non-regular I will take A power n, B power n, right? Let's take L1, L2. One is regular, other is non-regular. One is regular and other is non-regular. Okay. Now R is 5, regular is 5, and A power n, B power n. A power n, B power n. Okay. A power n, B power n. A power n, B power n. L1 is regular, L2 is A power n, B power n. L2 is A power n, B power n. What can you say about L1 intersection L2? L1 intersection L2 equal to 5, which is regular. What does this mean? If one language is regular and other language is not non-regular, then the resulting may be regular. If L1 intersection L2 is regular, then one of them can be regular, other one can be non-regular. Okay. Now I will take one more language, L1, L2. I will take non-regular and I will take non-regular. Okay. One of them is A power n, B power n, and the other one is A power n, B power n complement. A power n, one of it is A power n, B power n, and the other one is A power n, B power n complement. If I take intersection L1 intersection L2, I get 5. L1 intersection L2, I get 5. If I take L1 intersection L2, then I get 5, right? Which is regular. So what do you understand from these three examples? From these three examples, if L1 intersection L2 is regular, both the languages may be regular, or both the languages may be one regular, one non-regular, or both the languages can be non-regular. Both the languages can be non-regular. Sir, phi which ID regular? Phi is regular. What is phi? Phi is empty set. Empty set is regular. Empty set is regular, right? So what is empty set? You can write like this. A DFA for empty set will look like this. There is no final state. What does this language accept? Epsilon. Now we are able to give a DFA for this language accepts empty set. You are able to give a DFA. You are able to give a DFA. Therefore, this is you are able to give a DFA. This is a DFA and the language is empty set. Therefore, you can say that this is ठीक है. Empty set is regular. Empty set is regular, right? And there are some important points about complementation. If L is regular, then that implies L complement is regular. If L is regular, that implies L complement is regular. If L is not regular, that implies L complement is not regular. L complement is not regular. L comma L complement both are either regular or both are non-regular. Both are either regular or both are either non-regular. Both are either regular or both are either non-regular. Both are either regular or both are either non-regular. Both are either regular or both are either non-regular. ठीक है? Now we know that if L1 is regular, and L2 is regular, if L1 is regular and L2 is regular, what does that imply? That implies that L1 union L2 is regular. This we know, right? So what is this? P implies Q. This we know. Now the contrapositive will also be true. Negation Q implies negation P. 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 What does that mean? Negation Q means L1 union L2 is not regular. है ना? If L1 union L2 is not regular, that implies either L1 is not regular or L2 is not regular. That implies either L1 is not regular or L2 is not regular. Either L1 is not regular or L2 is not regular. Either L1 is not regular or L2 is not regular. Not regular. Not regular. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, we'll take a short break. I'll start the next concept after that. We will take a short break. and we'll start the next concept after that. Okay, don't go anywhere. So you have to remember about complementation. Complementation is a very frequently asked question. Okay? Complementation is a very frequently asked question. Complementation is a very frequently asked question. So you have to remember this. We will make a small table for this, right? So L complement is closed. Regular languages are closed under complementation. Regular languages are closed under DCFL. Regular languages are closed under CSL. Regular languages are closed under REC, recursive. Okay, recursive enumerable languages are not closed under regular. So what can you write about this? What kind of questions they can ask in exam is, L and L complement, L and L complement are both in this property. L and L complement are both regular or both non-regular. L and L complement both are regular or both are non-regular. Now we will see this property. L and L complement are both DCFL or both non-DCFL and CSL. L and L complement are both CSL or both not CSL. Now we will write about this. What can you write? L and L complement are both recursive or both not recursive, or both not recursive, or both recursive or both not recursive. ठीक है? Same can be applied to star. Same can be applied to star. Same can be applied to स्टार. स्टार के लिए भी हम सेम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? ठीक है. इफ L star is regular, if L star is regular, then L may or may not be regular. L may or may not be regular. If L star is regular, then L may or may not be regular. If L star is regular, L may or may not be regular. L may or may not be regular. ठीक है? I'll give you an example. If L equal to A, what is L star? L star is A star. मतलब if L is regular, then L star is regular. है ना? I'll give you one more example. L equal to A power n square such that n is greater than or equal to 1. A power n square such that n is greater than or equal to 1. n is greater than or equal to 1. ठीक है? n is greater than or equal to 1. If L equal to A power n square, what is the language? A power 1 square, matlab this is A. A power 2 square, matlab this is 4. And A power 3 square, matlab this is 9. A power 9. A power 4 square, matlab this is A power 16. So on. Right? Now if I take L star, since A is in the language, now if I take L star, since A is in the language, I get A star, and A star will cover all of them, and this is a regular language. Hannah. So what should you learn from this? If L star is regular, L may be regular, may not be regular. This is the example where L is regular. This is the example where L is not regular. But still L star is 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 regular. Okay. I'll give you one more example. Let us say L equal to a power 2n, L equal to a power 2 power n, such that n is greater than or equal to 1. L equal to a power 2 power n, such that n is greater than or equal to 1. Right. What can you say about L star? L equal to a power 2 power n, such that n is greater than or equal to 1. What can you say about A star? What can you say about A star? What can you say about A star? Prashant, I will give you fourth table now. After this question, we will take fourth table. L equal to a power 2 power n. What can you say about L star? What can you say about L star? What can you say about L star? L equal to a power 2 power n, such that n is greater than or equal to 0. What can you say about L star? What can you say about L star? Try it. Try it, everyone. Try it. Try it, everyone. What is there in the language? In the language, there is a square, there is a power 4, there is a power 8, there is a power 16, so on, right? Now, if I apply a star to this, since a square is present, you are going to get a square star also. Now, if you observe this, this is even number of a's and all these are even number of a's, right? All these are definitely even number of a's. Therefore, a power 2 star is covering everything. So, the language is a star. 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 The language is a star, right? Because a star will cover a power 4, a star will cover a power 8, a star will cover a power 16, so on, so on, so on. ठीक है? ठीक है? Now I'll give you table number 4. Before going towards table number 4, we will see a story. Okay? We will see a inspirational story. Vandana Shiva, born in 1952, is a physicist. Turned seed conservationist who founded Navdanya, India's largest network of seed banks. She rescued thousands of indigenous seed varieties and promoted organic farming and opposed corporate patents. She didn't take patents for her inventions, and she has protected lot of seed varieties, and she encouraged organic farming, right? And she didn't take any patent on life forms. And Shiva's campaigns have galvanized small farm movements and preserved biodiversity across India's agroecological regions, right? What is the lesson you should learn? Defending biodiversity and grassroots empowerment secures food sovereignty and honors ecological heritage. Okay? She is a hero for me. I am proud to be an Indian. I am proud of Shiva. She is a hero for me and she should be hero for you. Get inspired, not motivated. Okay? She will not say तुम कर सकते हो, करो करो, तुम्हें दम है, कुछ भी कर सकते हो. She will not say all that. She will say watch me and follow me. That's it. Great inspirationalists will just say watch me. They will not say तुम करो, कर सकते हो, ये सब नहीं होता है, ठीक है, ठीक है। नाउ आई विल गिव यू RBR table 4, ठीक है। Now let's go to RBR table 4. You will definitely get one question from this, okay? Tilt your book and write it, okay? RBR table 4. So RBR table 4 talks about decidability, ठीक है। If a problem has an algorithm, if a problem has an algorithm, then it is called, if a problem has an algorithm, then it is called decidable problem. Then it is called decidable problem. ठीक है। Now, if a problem has no algorithm, then it is called undecidable problem. It is called undecidable problem. If a problem does not have algorithm, then it is called undecidable problem. If a problem has no algorithm, then it is called undecidable problem. Then it is called undecidable problem, right? Now, if a problem has polynomial time algorithm, then it is called tractable and decidable. Okay. Now, if a problem has non-polynomial, or I can say exponential. If a problem has exponential time, algorithm, then it is called tractable, untractable. Then it is called untractable and decidable. Untractable and decidable. ठीक है। Now based on these points, now based on these points, I'll give you a table, okay? Now let's go to the table. This is RBR table 4. This is RBR table 4. This talks about decidability. This talks about decidability. ठीक है, ठीक है। तो डिसाइडेबिलिटी मतलब W belongs to L. एक है, I will write like this. Membership problem, emptiness problem, membership problem, emptiness problem. You copy it down. I will tell you everything, okay? తెల్లవారితే కనురెప్పల తొలి మెలకువ నువ్వే, నా గుప్పెడు గుండెల్లో చిరు చప్పుడు నువ్వే, పొలమారితే నీ మనసుకి అది నా పొరపాటే, నీ పేరే పలకడమే పెదవుల కలవాటే, వెన్నెలలా ఉంటుందే నీ పక్కన చోటే, వేకువలా చూస్తోందే నువ్వు నడిచిన బాటే, ప్రాణాలే తీస్తోందే నీ ఊహలతోటే, నా మనసే నీదాయే వినదే నా మాటే, ఎవరే ఎవరే ప్రేమను మాయంది, ఎవరే ఈ హాయికి హృదయము చాలంది. నీకేం కావాలో చెప్పు, లోకమంతా చూడాలా చెప్పు, కొత్త ఊరు కొత్తవాడ చూసి వద్దామా, నచ్చినవి కొనమని చెప్పు, నచ్చనివి వద్దని చెప్పు, కొత్త ఏరు కొత్త నీరు ఇది చూద్దామా, లోకమొక వైకుంఠపాణి కింద పడి లేచేవోణి, అన్నవి అనుకున్నవి చూసి వద్దామా, ఒక వెండి గొలుసు ఓలే ఈ భూమి తిరుగునెప్పుడో, తొడగాని వజ్రమల్లే ఆ నింగి మెరియునెప్పుడు, నీకేం కావాలో చెప్పు, లోకమంతా చూడాలా చెప్పు, కొత్త ఊరు కొత్తవాడ చూసి వద్దామా, నీ కళను పట్టుకు వదలనన్నవి చూడే నా కనులు, నా చెలి రోజావే నాలో ఉన్నావే, నిన్నే తలిచేదే నేనే, కళ్ళల్లో నీవే కన్నీట నీవే, ఎదలో నిండేవే, కనిపించవో అందించవో తోడు, చెలియ చెంతలేదులే చల్లగాలి ఆగిపో, మమత దూరమాయనే చందమామ దాగిపో, కురుల సిరులు లేవులే పూలవనం వాడిపో, తోడు లేదు గగనమా చుక్కలాగా రాలిపో, So if you observe it, most of the problems are undecidable. Okay. So guys, we will take a small break for 3 minutes. After coming from the break, I will explain you the entire concept. Okay, we will take a small break for 15 minutes, and after the break we will continue. Okay, after the break. Okay, guys, I'll explain this table. I'll explain this table. Okay. I'll explain this table. So, what is membership? Membership means given a word, does it belong to the language is the membership. What is emptiness? Given a word, given a language, is it empty? That is emptiness problem. What is finiteness? Given a language, is it finite? What is equivalence? Given a language, are they equivalent? What is regularity? Given a language, is it regular? What is ambiguity? Given a language, is it ambiguous? What is completeness? Given a language, is it sigma star? What is disjointness? Given two languages, is the intersection equal to phi or not? Right? Most of them are undecidable. You can see that most of them are undecidable. Most of them are undecidable. Most of them are undecidable. 24 undecidable are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 27 problems are undecidable. So you don't have to by heart it. You know that decidable problems are only few. You just remember the decidable problems. Undecidable problems you can easily answer. Okay. So what kind of question they may ask is, for example, they will say that L is context free language. Is L equal to 5? Is L equal to 5? Matlab this question. This is decidable. This is decidable, right? And what other question they can ask is L finite? Which means given a L, is L finite? Given a L, is L finite? Let us say L is a context-free language. Now the question is L finite? Now the question is L finite? Finiteness is decidable. Finiteness is decidable. Finiteness is decidable. Okay. Okay, fine. We will end the class here because next topic will take some more time. We will end the class here. Okay. And tomorrow there will be no class. Day after tomorrow there will be class. Day after tomorrow there will be class. Okay. Tomorrow there is no class. Day after tomorrow there is a class. Let's end the class with a rap. పోతా పోతా పైసలన్నీ పట్టుకపోతావారా, పెట్టుకున్నవన్నీ నువ్వు కట్టుకపోతావారా, పోరి పోరి అంటావు దాన్ని చుట్టుకుంటావారా, సక్కపోసి పెగ్గేస్తా ఆ ఆ ఆ ఆ. ठीक है. Jai Hind. Let's end the class with a Jai Hind. Write Jai Hind in the comments and let's end the class. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram. Let's end the class.